Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer, and in today's video we will go through the exercises of chapter 1. So students, in our previous videos we had already completed the explanation and the hard word of these chapters. So we have go through the hard word meanings of this chapter, and in today's video we are going to go through the exercises of this chapter. Okay students, so let's start with me. So firstly students, take out your computer book and open chapter 1, page number 11. Okay, so take out your computer book and open chapter 1, page number 11. Okay, so students, let's start doing exercises with me. So here you can see on the page number 11, firstly exercise A. Okay, so let's start with the exercise A. So the first exercise is exercise A, and this one is tick the correct answer. Okay, so here you can see four statements are given. Okay, or you can say 4 questions are given. First, second, there are 3 questions are given. Okay, so here 3 questions are given, first, second and third. Okay, so first one is, this type of computer can be carried in a pocket. This type of computer can be carried in a pocket. Okay, so you have to answer it. Here 3 options are also given. Okay, you can see here 3 options are given and you have to choose the correct answer and you have to tick it. Okay, so what do you think students, which one is the correct answer? So the question is, this type of computer can be carried in a pocket. Okay, so from out of these 3 computers, which type of computer you can bring with yourself in your pocket? Okay, which type of computer you can carry in your pocket? Answer me students. So the correct answer is option B. Okay, the correct answer is option B, a smartphone. Okay, so a smartphone is a type of computer that you can carry in your pocket. Okay, now move on to the next question. The next question is, this type of computer cannot be carried around easily. Okay, this type of computer cannot be carried around easily. So here again 3 options are given. Option A, desktop. Option B, smartphone. Option C, laptop. Okay, so option C, laptop can be easily carried around you. Okay, and next one is smartphone. Yeah, a smartphone also carried around easily, and first one is desktop. Okay, so the desktop is a type of computer that we cannot bring it anywhere easily. Okay, we cannot bring it anywhere easily. It's a very big in size. Okay, it's a big in size, so we kept it on a table and we operate it, so we cannot carry it easily. So our correct answer is option A. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, desktop. Now move on to the next one. The next and the third question is, which of the following is a machine? Which of the following is a machine? So students, I have told you that what is a machine. A machine is a thing that make our work easier. Okay, so the machine is the thing that make our day-to-day life work easier. Okay, so here you can see 3 options are given. First one is a book. Option A is book. Option B is cat, and option C is desktop. Okay, So what do you think, students? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is desktop. Okay, so this computer, so the correct answer is computer. So computer is the machine. Okay, computer is the machine, and this cat is not machine, and this book is also not a machine. Okay, so these two options are wrong. These two are not machines. Okay, so the computer is a machine, and this makes our work easier. Okay, so here the question is, which of the machine, which of the following is a machine? So book is not machine, and cat is also not machine. So these two options are wrong, and the option C, computer, is correct answer, because computer is a machine. Okay, now we have completed exercise A. Now move on to the exercise B, students. So exercise B is fill in the blanks. Okay, exercise B is fill in the blanks. So here you can see 1 2 3 4. Okay, here 4 options are given, you can say, and again 4 questions are also given. Okay, so you have to read this statement, and in the given blank you have to fill the correct word from this box. Okay, you can see here a box is given, and in this box here 4 words are given for helping you, and you have to choose the correct word from this box, and you have to fill it in this given blanks. Okay, students, so let's start with the first one. So first one is a dash has a touch screen. Okay, a dash has a touch screen. Okay, so which one is the correct word from here, students, that you will fill it in the blank? Tablet, information, machines, or smartphone? Answer me, students. So the correct answer is smartphone. Okay, so the correct answer is smartphone. So here you have to write a smartphone. Okay, so here you have to write a smartphone. Now the next one is dash are man-made things that make our work easier and quicker. Okay, so what you will fill it here, students? So the correct word that we will fill here is machines. Okay, so machines are a man-made things. Okay, so machines are a man-made things that make our work easier and quicker. Okay, is that clear? Now move on to the next one, and the next one is a computer can store dash. So a computer, what can store, students? So a computer, what can store a computer? So computer can store, tell me students, a computer can store information. Okay, a computer can store information. So this word we will fill in this given blank. Okay, information. So write here information. Okay, you have to write information here. Okay, so what is the spelling of information, students? The spelling of information is INFORMATION, information. Good. Now move on to the next one, and the next one is a dash is smaller than a laptop computer. Okay, a dash is smaller than a laptop computer. Okay, so what is smaller than a laptop computer? And you have to choose a word from here. Okay, so only one word is left here, tablet. So tablet is a correct answer. A tablet, what is the spelling of tablet, students? TABLET. Okay, so a tablet is smaller than a laptop computer. Good. Now we have done, students. So exercise A and B are completed now. So you have to complete these exercises in your book, and you have to learn these facts. Okay students, you have to learn these facts also. So I hope you understand, and see you in the next video lesson. And don't forget to complete your homework students. So bye bye, take care of yourself.